Barbara Fernandez. Welcome to Geek SLP TV, episode number 28. Wow, it's been such a long time since I've actually done a video podcast. I think I haven't done one in 2012 yet. Can you believe it? Life has just been so crazy. I have been involved in creating several different apps. I think this year I have already created about six different applications for the iPad with so many different authors, and it's been amazing. So I have been a little busy, haven't had time to do a lot of those videos that I enjoy so much doing, but I was able to get a few minutes to record this video, which actually for the first time is being done using my iPad 3. I did want to test out the quality of my iPad 3's camera. And I guess if you guys are watching this video, I can let you know, maybe in a comment, what you guys think about the quality of the video. But trying to move on, you can see that I have here a strap that is attached to my bag that I found recently that I got at the airport. It is a bag that allows me to take my iPad with me, and I can actually use it directly from the purse. I actually hadn't looked to see who made it. I got at the airport at one of those stands. It's called Pad Pocket by Popular Creations, and I absolutely love because as I'm walking, I can actually slide my iPad in and out very easily, and sometimes I can actually use it right here with the screen that they got on the top. And for you SLPs that are looking for something to carry your iPad with you places, you still can put some things inside the purse, and there's a pocket in the front, and I really wanted to share this with you guys. So that was one of the things that I wanted to share. Another thing that I wanted to share was my impressions on the iPad 3. I've had the iPad 3 now for a few weeks, and I have to confess that the fact that they have higher resolution is absolutely amazing. However, the fact that many apps aren't yet designed for the iPad 3 makes the whole thing a bit hard on me. I'm a huge graphics person. I love looking at beautiful graphics, and now that I get to look at my iPad and sometimes I see that some screens aren't as sharp as I would like them to be, sometimes it's a little frustrating on my part. The iPad definitely gets a little warmer than I think I would like. I love how faster it is. And I also absolutely love the camera. I've used this afternoon with my family at the lake to take photos and make videos. The quality is just absolutely amazing. As an SLP, and if you guys are wondering whether to get an iPad 2 at a discounted price versus an iPad 3, if you aren't such as a geek or a technology crazy person like I am, I think you're pretty fine with your iPad 2. And maybe if you buy your iPad 2, you can get more memory because all those apps now are gonna have a bigger size because of the high definition graphics. So there it is, my opinion on the iPad 3. I never thought I'd be having so many negatives as I'm having with the iPad 3 as I actually have. Well, now I did want to talk about an application. The application that I wanted to demonstrate today is called Speak for Yourself, and it's an AAC application that was developed recently and is getting several positive reviews everywhere. And I'm going to go get my iPad 2 to put it on the screen so you guys can take a look at what that app looks. Alright, so you guys are now looking at the screen of my iPad running the app called Speak for Yourself. I'm very excited to show you guys Speak for Yourself. I have personally dealt with the authors of this application. They are both speech language pathologists with a really extensive knowledge on their area, which is alternative communication. The application uses Smarty symbols. That is a symbol set that I've also helped to create and develop that they are actually using on the application. The application comes with 13,000 built-in Smarty symbols. The cool thing about the application, as soon as you open the application, you will notice quickly that the main screen can be a little bit overwhelming. And as soon as you look on the application, despite the feeling that it's overwhelming, the app is based on the research about the most used vocabulary across settings and situations, and even ages. We know that the majority of the words we use to communicate are comprised in a vocabulary that we call a core vocabulary. Speak for Yourself takes that into account and display 119 words of that core vocabulary on their main screen. You can see here to the left of the screen you have your pronouns, and as you tap on actually any sign, some of them will automatically speak, others will lead into pages. So for example, the I speaks for itself. I can say I. When I tap onto play, it leads into a sub-page that is associated with the button that I just played. So I can tap on I play, and I can actually tap on the screen to have the whole phrase spoken to me. I tap on clear to clear the application. I did have some difficulty learning how to use the application. I did go on their website to learn how to use the application, and I highly recommend that you guys do visit their website to learn how to set up the application. Here, I can edit by taking the first of a look of open and closed words. I can close some words, which means I'm going to take them out of the main screen. So as I'm programming for one of my students, or if you are the parent and you're using this app, you can actually take out some of the areas and clear them out if they are words that your child isn't yet using on their vocabulary. You can close them out. Now, another interesting thing is that you can lock the application. Once you lock the application, sometimes actually I just forgot how to get it back. But one trick that I always tell people is to exit the application and go into their settings page. Well, I guess you can see how many apps I have here, and this is not even my own iPad. Well, it is my own iPad, but not the iPad 3 that I'm currently using. So I'm going to go into settings, and I'm going to look for Speak for Yourself, which actually they are actually there. Speak for Yourself. They have recently had an update, version 1.1, so make sure you have the latest version. You can enable programming on the settings. Thank goodness I went on to the settings because I keep forgetting that. And I'm going to go back to the application now, which you can see now I'm able to continue editing the application. On here, on this flower, you can change voice. You have here male, female, Irish English, US English, British English, and US English. Let me try out some British English.
I need computer.
So as you guys can see, my Facebook is opened and you guys are seeing my message. But let me try to cover that up and try to just show you guys a few other things that you can edit with the application. You can actually change the pitch, and you can also change the rate, which I thought it was a little faster on the medium, so I'm gonna go back to slow.
I need computer.
Here to edit, you can see there's an edit mode if you tap on the cell, you can decide to lock this screen or not. I'm actually going to go onto a page. I'm going to hit done. Oop. Tap twice. I'm going to hit done. Go onto a page and click edit again. This will lead me, it will show me the areas that are actually opened that I can add an image. And you can see here all of the symbols that this app comes with. I'm going to put here Alaskans. You can change the cell color, pick something that you want, even type a different word, and I'm going to hit done. It says it is a duplicate word, that I already have that word there somewhere. So I'm going to actually try to pick a word that probably is not there yet. There we go. So once I hit done, now I have just added this symbol onto the application. Well, that was a general overview of Speak for Yourself. I hope you enjoyed. And if you're looking for an AC app that is as complete as this one, I hope that this little video tutorial helped you learn a little bit more about this app. I hope you guys enjoyed the video demo of Speak for Yourself. Before I let you guys go, I wanted to let you guys know the next week I'm going to be in Missouri presenting 2 3-hour long seminars at their state convention. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to be driving from Texas to Missouri, so that's probably going to be about 12 to 13 long drive hours. But it's going to be pretty exciting. It's supposed to be in the Ozarks area in Missouri, which is, I've heard it's very pretty. I look forward to seeing maybe some of you there next week on the 14th of April of 2012, in case you are watching this video maybe 2013 or 2020. Anyways, that was it for today. Today's Friday, and I hope you guys have an absolutely amazing weekend. Take care. Bye, guys.